Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about how the stock market works. Have you ever thought of what exactly happened in the back end when you take a trade in the market? How your trade is executed? Who are the people behind the settlement of trades? And many important questions like this. We will understand how it works, but before that, we need to understand who all are the participants available in this market. Let's start. On top of the hierarchy, we have SEBI. SEBI stands for Securities Exchange Board of India, and this is the capital market regulator. After SEBI, we have stock exchanges and depository. Stock exchange basically provides trading platform across all the country. Depository is an organization where the demat account is opened. If you want to know more about these participants, you can check out the other videos. The link is available in the description box. Now let's understand how the stock market works. Firstly, the trader needs to select the stocks for trading. There are many websites like Money Control, NSE India, etc., where you can check the details of the stocks and make yourself an informed trader. Secondly, you need to open a demat account with the broker. Depending on your requirement, you can opt one broker and open your demat account. Nowadays, it becomes very easy to open an account as everything is online. Your broker will ask for certain documents which you need to submit while opening a demat account. Before going to open the account, you also look for the fees and other charges that the broker is charging. Thirdly, once you decide the stocks to trade and open an account, the next step is to understand how you can place an order. At this level, stock exchange comes in place. In India, we have two exchanges for equities, that is NSE and BSE. Majorly, trading happens on NSE platform due to various reasons. Now is the time to place an order. There are many ways like mobile application, web application, terminal softwares, etc., through which you can place an order. And depending on the price movement, you are either make profit or loss. Now, look at this diagram. Here you can see the 5 steps which defines how the order is processed. The first step is you are placing an order, which we just spoke about it. The second step where the broker sends it to the exchange. So your broker where you have opened the demat account, the trade that you have taken, the broker will send it to the exchange. Exchange finds this counterparty, which means the other party. Exchange confirm the broker, and once it is confirmed, the broker will debit or credit your account. So that's how the stock market works. We are committed to provide you the videos which will be helpful in taking trading and investment decisions. So keep watching this space and do subscribe, like and share this video.